Nearly 6 months after his passing, details of Ratan Tata's will have emerged. The industry icon has left the majority of his wealth to charity. According to reports, the 87-year-old has left behind assets worth 3,900 crore rupees. The largest portion of his wealth came from the 3,338 shares that he held in Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group. The stake has a book value of 1,684 crore rupees. Reports also indicate that Tata owned shares in TCS worth around 826 crore rupees. Tata Motors worth over 100 crore rupees, as well as stakes in Tata Technologies and Tata Capital. Beyond the Tata Group, Ratan Tata had investments in several startups, including Urban Clap, CureFit, MapMyGenome, Traxon, and the US-based Alcoa Corporation. These holdings are valued at approximately 400 crore rupees. All these assets, valued at over 3,200 crores, will reportedly go to charity through two of his trusts, the Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation and the Ratan Tata Endowment Trust. Reports suggest that Ratan Tata ensured his will could not be contested by including a no contest clause. This provision prevents anyone from legally challenging his estate. Additionally, he prohibited the transfer or sale of his Tata Sons stake to anyone who is not already a shareholder in the company. Tata distributed the remaining 800 crore rupees of his assets among family and close friends. His brother Jimmy Tata will receive a 1/4 share of a bungalow in Juhu, making him a 50% owner alongside Simon and Noel Tata. Jimmy Tata also inherits select pieces of jewelry. The will also accounts for various financial and physical assets, including cash, bank fixed deposits, insurance policies, PPF balances, cars, watches, paintings, and real estate. For his half-sisters, Shireen and Diana Jijaboy, Tata has allocated 1/3 of his financial assets. Another 1/3 has been left to his long-time confidant and friend, Mohini Datta. Even his pets have been included in his legacy. A corpus of 12 lakh rupees to ensure that each pet receives 30,000 rupees every 3 months. Additionally, Tata willed 80 lakh rupees to his domestic staff, Rajan Shaw and Subbiah Konar. Student loans owed to Tata by his executive assistant Shantanu Naidu and his neighbor Jake have been waived. Melly Mistry, a close associate of Tata, has also inherited a property in Alibag. Interestingly, Ratan Tata's will does not bequeath anything to his half-brother Noel Tata, who was appointed chairman of Tata Trusts in October last year. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.